Dear Saint Andrews school students, greetings of the day. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. I am your English teacher, and today's video I am going to tell you about the noun number. Let's take out a pen and paper and start making points because in the end of the video I will give you some small assignment. So class, do you know what is noun the number? A noun may either be singular or plural in number. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. When we speak about one person, one animal, one thing, we use the noun in the singular. For example, boy, tiger. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. When we speak about two or more persons, animals, things, we use the noun in the plural form. For example, boys, tigers. Forming plural noun. Singular nouns can be changed to plural in various ways. There are some rules and examples. Write the examples in your notebook. First rule: to make regular nouns plural, add s to the end. For example, cat, cats, house, houses. Second rule: if the singular noun ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x or z, add es to the end to make it plural, like bus, buses, tax, taxes. Rule number 3. In some cases, singular nouns ending in s or z requires that you double the s or z previous to adding the es for plural. Example, gas, gases. Rule number 4. If the noun ends with f or fe, the f is often changed to ve before adding the s to form the plural version. For example, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. And there are some examples who don't follow these rules, like roof, roofs, belief, belief. So many examples are not follow these rules. Rule number 5. If a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a consonant, change the ending to ies to make the noun plural. For example, city, cities, puppy, puppies. If the singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a vowel, simply add an s to make it plural. For example, ray, race, boy, boys. Rule number 7. If the singular noun ends in o, add es to make it plural. For example, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. And there are some examples who don't follow these rules, like photo, photos, piano, pianos, and so many examples who don't follow these rules. Rule number 8. If the singular noun ends in us, the plural ending is frequently I. For example, cactus, cacti. Rule number 9. If the singular noun ends in is, the plural ending is es. For example, analysis, analysis. Rule number 10. Some nouns don't change at all at the time of forming in plural. For example, sheep, sheep, series, series, deer, deer. These are some examples of singular and plural noun. You should write all the examples in a notebook. Cat, cats, school, schools, lady, ladies. You should write all the examples in your notebook like baby, babies, choice, choices. Irregular plural noun. So what is irregular plural nouns? Irregular plural nouns follow no specific rules like child, children, man, man, woman, women, tooth, teeth. So there is no rule for irregular plural nouns. So you should learn these kinds of words. Again, here is some examples like child, children, person, people, and here is an example of irregular plural noun. My sister has one child. How we can change this sentence into plural? My sister has two children. So child changed into children. So class, what is compound nouns? Compound nouns are sometimes one word like toothpaste, haircut, or bedroom. These are often referred to as closed or solid compound nouns. Sometimes compound nouns are connected with a hyphen. Dry cleans, daughter-in-law, and well-being are some examples of hyphenated compound nouns. Write the definition in your notebook. Some adjective plus nouns combinations make a compound noun, but not all. These are some examples of compound noun like housekeeper, mother-in-law, father-in-law, football, apple tree, toothbrush, underworld. Write all the examples in your notebook. These are some examples of compound noun like newspaper, newspapers, swimming pool, swimming pools, brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, woman doctor, women doctors. So class, countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are individual people, animals, place, things or idea which can be counted. Uncountable nouns are not individual objects, so they can't be counted. Write the definition of countable and uncountable noun in your notebook. This is the difference between countable and uncountable noun. So class, can we count a car? Yes, we can count it. 2 cars, 10 cars, yes, of course we can count it. But can we count a snow? 2 snow, 10 snows? No, we cannot count it. So how we can use uncountable nouns? For example, in liquid, water, juice, milk, beer. I have 2 liters of milk and I have a glass of water, glasses of water, cups of water, because we can't count milk, water, coffee, bread, cake. These are uncountable nouns. So we can count it as, for example, I ate 2 pieces of cake, bread, I have cup of coffee, I have glasses of water. Write these examples in a notebook. And these are some examples of countable and uncountable noun. You should write this name in a notebook. Class assignment time. Change the sentence from singular to plural. So first sentence is, the boy had a baseball in his hand. The boy had a baseball in his hand. The horse preferred to bear an English saddle. The horse prepare to wear an English saddle. The cat never seems to tire of jumping in and out of the box. The cat never seems to tire of jumping in and out of the box. You stole my idea and didn't give me any credit. You stole my idea and didn't give me any credit. Your mom is going to be upset about the broken lamp. Your mom is going to be upset about that broken lamp. It's not difficult to grow a tree as long as you give it plenty of water. It's not difficult to grow a tree as long as you give it plenty of water. I can't believe you let your dog stick his head out the window while you drive. I can't believe you let your dog stick his head out the window while you drive. Change the sentence from singular to plural. So class, here one more assignment. Write the plural form of noun like bottle, cup, pencil, box, bus, man, child. Do your assignment in notebook. In our next video, we will discuss about the noun, gender. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.